You forgot to ask her.
Such a legend director.
Yes.
I'm getting nervous, sir.
You?
Yes.
Sir.
One wrong question and you will not do his film.
Yeah. Sir, my question is, between Salman and me, who's the real Sikandar?
Sir, Sikandar is already done, sir. So Sikandar is.
Salman is the real Sikandar.
Sir,
I'm going home here.
क्या ना इसके बाद तेरे साथ कलंदर बना लेते हैं ना हाँ मस्त कलंदर
Mast Kalandar. He is the real Sikandar.
is in the film is a Sikandar.
I'm joking, of course he is Sikandar.
in real life
कुछ गलत नहीं बोलना. कुछ गलत नहीं बोलना.
he's Sikandar real life he's Sikandar
अच्छा मैनेज किया. So sir, who's a better dancer between Salman and me?
sir with the ribs broken also tell me who's better dancer
Sir, who's a better dancer?
So he broken his. So that time.
Sir, he breaks his ribs, he breaks other people's ribs. I'm not asking that. Who's better dancer? Salman.
There is one holy song, sir. In the end credit also.
He's danced
Yeah.
very
In Becca, you did very well, sir.
No, but who's better dancer? He's better dancer.
No, not like that,
I
sir.
think so, even I think so. So he's Sikandar, he's better dancer. Who's better action, sir? He's better in action.
Action, sir.
Again, he's better in action.
So you asked
Sir,
me the
I'm
same
useless,
kind of
sir. You are
questions.
not.
So you asked me the same question on this side only, sir.
who's better actor who's more hardworking who's more sincere
All the boring things. Huh? All the boring things. No, sir. Acting
Only
actor
one,
also, he's better. Have you seen that?
The crying and all,
Dabang?
sir. Crying
Or
scene,
he does it
emotional
very well,
scene.
yeah.
So without glycerin, he
I also
cries.
do without this.
that is because of you sir that is because I just see you and I just see like, oh
When he
my
sees you, he
God.
feels like crying, sir.
Oh my God, look at this guy. Old Sikandar's Boj on his head. And he's got to go back to his wife and child. And then come back in the day again. And again have to tolerate me on set.
No, but I've seen his emotional scenes are outstanding.
Yeah. So for only close up, silent shot crying is very difficult to act, sir. When with other actors, with the dialogue,
It's easier to
it
cry.
is easier to cry. When only close up, some voiceover, AD is giving some voiceover, so you suddenly crying. And slowly with the dialogue, it's coming out, the tears coming out.
He's done that in this film.
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
Wow. Who's the actress in the film?
Rashmika Mandanna.
Rashmika.
Very effective.
Yeah?
Very
Good actor.
Yeah, very good, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very hardworking. He's amazing, this girl. Although I remember in Hyderabad also, she was shooting with us from 7 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the morning. And she used to get ready for, I think, Pushpa she was shooting at that point.
Fever also, sir.
Yeah, Fever also. Pushpa she was shooting. She used to shoot all day for Pushpa and she used to come back and shoot with her. So the only time that she used to get is the driving time in the car from one location to other. That reminded me of my starting of my
Early days.
We have all done it. We have all done it.
2 shifts, 3 shifts. How many songs, sir?
So we have 4 songs, sir.
4 songs.
Songs also turned out good. Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, one song with I broke my ribs and then we put it, we shoot the shot the next day.
Oh,
I couldn't sit, I couldn't stand, I couldn't cough, I couldn't laugh, nothing. So, वो जो step एक,
In
step
the moment itself, he did like that, sir.
Yeah. No, it came it came like that. So I said, चलो, just for X's sake.
Then all the dancers,
Actually ये था, ऐसा कुछ था. बस ये कर दो बे, चलो ये.
all the dancers.
all are doing same. Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it a very challenging film to shoot, this one?
Yeah, sir. So railway station we shot night to day. So we had to security issues there. So we had to take care of the real location, 200 people,
Right.
full building,
Right.
everyone watching in the balcony.
Right.
So,
Yeah, security was tamjam काफी था because real locations थे, outdoor था, so we had to be very careful.
yeah.
But yeah, by the grace of God went well.
चलो अच्छा हो गया. I'm glad it's
Very
gone off well. किसके साथ काम करके मजा आया? Who did you like working with better? Me or Salman? All honest answers.
Yeah, it's a very easy question, sir.
It's easy. What is the answer?
Me.
Who was better to work with?
Both.
Easy question. Answer is both.
Sir, you can't do that.
Thoda sa. Little bit. Who gave you less trouble?
Sir.
Who gave you less trouble?
Acha, who came on set on time?
Sir.
That's why I asked you the question. But who finished work before?
Sir, what is this? That is you, sir.
Who was more irritating, sir? Oh, he's come on set, my mood is spoiled.
Sir, what is this? No, sir.
But just tell me, I want to know how was the experience working with Salman? Now, without joking, seriously.
See, we've not worked after Andaz Apna Apna.
हाँ, हम लोगों को 25 साल हो गए.
Yeah, 25 years. So we also want to know.
I want to know how it is to work with him again. So how was the experience working?
Sir, working with him is very good experience with him, sir.
Yeah. What are the main things about him you felt while working with him?
So he has a separate aura. So he is very good. That heroic. So Salman
Presence.
Is, yeah, presence. When he comes to set, we can feel it. So like that. So.
Audience wants to see him as their hero. So it doesn't matter which personality, like whether it's Bajrangi Bhaijaan,
Correct.
whether it's Sultan, they want to see him as a hero.
Yeah, that's
All,
true.
they
Correct,
don't like
correct.
to see him anything other than a hero.
Yeah.
Someone who can look after
Correct.
people.
Correct. Yeah, larger than life.
larger than life. Someone who can protect.
Yeah.
They like to see him like that.
Correct.
And that's what he made.
That's what you like.
It's basically जो अपने जो मेरी genre का film है,
हाँ.
but थोड़ी सी sensibilities वगैरह
हाँ.
इनकी आ गई, तो story अलग है, but वो heroes हैं, वो mass, वो एक emotion, humor,
Correct.
वो सब intact.
तेरा experience कैसा रहा?
मेरा
सर के साथ
experience-
काम करके.
मेरा experience सर के साथ काम करके
कैसा रहा?
सर की पिक्चर है यार,
हाँ.
वो पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी बनाई है, तो एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा ही होगा.
What is saying, sir?
He had a good
I'm
experience.
saying, I'll show you what my experience working with you is. This is my experience working with you.
तो मैंने नोटिस किया था कि ये एकदम ऐसा इसका फिल्टर नहीं है. If I give him an idea and he didn't like it, yes, very bad, very bad. Face used to go like that. So when Salman gives suggestion, same way without filter, you tell him also.
You should ask him, sir.
हाँ? ये without filter करता है तेरे सामने कि filter लगाता है. I think in front of Salman you are putting filter. You are putting filter in front of Salman.
What suggestion? What suggestion? He's a good man. He gets upset also, and then he's like, inside.
But that's a remarkable quality. He's got a very childlike excitement about getting the film right.
No, see, he's very interested in the kind of work that he wants to do. Very passionate.
And very clear what he wants.
Yeah. And then if you suggest also and it makes sense to him, in a second he will take it.
Correct. Yeah, that I agree.
If I just, because language is a little bit problem, okay? So then he has just to understand. Sometimes he's taught in Tamil, okay? Tamil, that dialogue is a super hit dialogue, okay? But it loses the charm in translation.
Correct.
So now in that dialogue here, and then becomes a cliche dialogue. So then our job is to just slightly give it a edge, that punch on it. So that when he understands the punch, he says, superb, go ahead, do it. Or when he says, no, this is the way I want it.
Screenplay, he pays a lot of attention.
Yeah. And what he's shooting and his cutaways are amazing. So we've shot our scene and gone. And after that, he's taken these close-ups and he's taken that and he's, taken this insert. So all that makes the scene. There's a whole rally sequence that I've done in the film. I'm sitting in a taxi only. And ird-gird mein jo ho raha hai, wo to obviously I didn't even know when I saw it. So, wow. Yeah. That whole rally sequence and that.
So you remember Ghajini had released and Ghajini had become a big success.
Yes, sir.
And we had a success party. Salman had come.
Yeah.
And he had gifted me 2 paintings which he had made.
Yeah.
Of
You kept in the...
I've got it at home.
Yeah.
दो paintings बनाई थी Salman.
Yes.
Really beautiful.
Yeah, sir. The shaved head.
Yeah. So what is the main thrust of the story, sir?
Here, husband and wife love, that affection will be